Today I'm gonna tell you why I had a very bad service at Chanel, so let's go. Hi guys, and welcome back on Bisous to Chanel. I'm very excited to see you here. Thank you for watching this channel. If you don't know me, my name is Margot alias Margavaluxpro. I'm 28 years old. I'm French. You can hear it with my accent. And I live in Spain, in Barcelona, Europe. Obviously, I'm speaking mostly about luxury stuff, and I have my own website where I sell you bags and accessories. Every Wednesday, we have a very special bag drop day. And if you want to receive an email before the video released, you can go on the website. I will put the website here. It's bamluxurystore.com. You can put your email and you will receive the new bags and accessories launching on the website. So thank you so much because you are more and more every single week. So I'm very grateful. We ship worldwide, guys, so do not hesitate to contact us. Anyway, today's video is about Chanel and I'm so disappointed with the brand. I'm gonna tell you why. So I bought this baby secondhand. Obviously, I love secondhand. So I'm gonna make you a small unboxing too. So I was lucky to have the box, the dust bag here, and the authenticity card. I'm gonna show you here. This is a dust bag. Okay. So this is a black vintage wallet in black caviar. The only thing about this one when I bought it was the zipper here. The metallic part here was broken, was missing. Well, I had it, but it was broken. And this is why I bought it like so cheap. I'm living in Barcelona, so I went to Chanel Barcelona and I asked them if it could be changed and how much was to be changed. So I was well welcomed. At first it was very nice. She told me it was 45 euros. She knew the price straight away because she's used to. And she told me it would take like maximum 2 months to be repaired. So I was like, okay, yes, perfect. Let's do it. 2 months is nothing. Go for it. Like, well, it's 2 months, but it's okay, you know. I thought it would be like maybe less time because it was super quick to repair. It was not something big to do. But I was like, okay, fine, 2 months. And she was like, maybe it will take less depending. We will call you when we receive it back and stuff. I was like, okay, fine. So I give her the wallet. I give like the dust bag and the authenticity card that I'll let inside the wallet. And she handled me like a document with the number and the price and everything. I also received an email with the tracking number. So you can, in a tracking link, where when you click on it, you go on the Chanel website and you can follow where your wallet is. So after 1 month, I didn't have any news, and on the tracking link, it haven't moved. It was just saying it arrived in Paris, but since nothing. I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait. So 1 month later, it was like 2 months. It was supposed to be over because she told me like maximum 2 months. I went on the tracking link and still nothing. It was still in Paris, still unrepaired. I was like, this is weird. Like, it's so small to repair. I don't understand. So I tried like to send an email to the Barcelona store with the email of Chanel and blah, blah, blah. And 1 week later, I still had no answer. I was like, okay, weird. So I sent again another email saying, okay, I have no news from you. Could you reply to me, please? It was supposed to take like maximum 2 months. Maybe you have some delays and so on, but I would like to know where is it and how much time should I take in account? No reply. Okay, so it was like 2.5 months. I decided to call the number on the website for Barcelona store, and it was not Barcelona store. Actually, they have like a call center in Paris. So I talked to a guy, very nice, and he told me the why it's taken longer. It's maybe because they had to send it to another atelier to repair because maybe it's vintage, so they had to order a new piece of metal. And I was like, this is very random, and like, yeah, this is random, you know. This is not something huge. They should have it in store. I don't know. I was like, okay, fine. So it was like, I'm gonna try to ask where it is, how much it will take some time. Anyway, I will send you an email in maximum 2 weeks telling you where it is and the news. I was like, okay, thank you so much. At least one person was going to help me. 2 weeks later, no news. I was like, okay, it starts to piss me off. Like, what the fuck? I need to run after them to know where is my wallet. I was like, this is just a wallet, of course. But I was like, I'm not supposed to run after them. And they are supposed to reply first. And second, if someone says is doing something, for me, it needs to do the thing. So I was pissed because don't say you're going to do something if you're not. Like, I hate this, especially with luxury brands, luxury maison. You're supposed to have a luxury service, which was not, clearly not. So I decided to go, after all, to Barcelona store. I know there are like lots of people. I need to walk there because it's like not so close to my house. I was like, okay, so I'm gonna take like 2 hours to go. I'm gonna lose 2 hours because I'm not gonna get my wallet, but I need to know where it is. So I decided to go there. I've waited, so it took me like 2 hours, and I asked for someone. I had to wait like 20 minutes before being served. This someone was nice. Like, she was not mean. So I told her like, I sent you guys 2 emails, no news. I called and the guy told me like he's gonna send me an email 2 weeks after. Nothing. I still don't know where the fuck is my wallet. She was like, oh, okay, I will try to check. So she did not even say, oh, I'm sorry if we didn't reply to you under the name of Chanel or under the name of the store, or I am sorry. No excuses for not replying at all. I was like, okay. And I was like, yeah, but no one replied. Why? And she didn't say anything about this. No, sorry, no, why, whatever. She was shaking for 25 minutes minimum, and she came back and she was like, oh yeah, so it's probably going to be here like within a month. It should arrive. It's almost done. And I was like, okay. So I was there for nothing. I went home, and 2 weeks later, I received finally the email saying the wallet is ready. So I went again to the store, I picked up the wallet, they gave me in the bag, and she was like, okay, here's your wallet, let's get to pay. I was like, hey, can I check the wallet if everything is good, if everything is well done or not? She was like, oh yeah, of course. I was like, yeah, I would like to check the work, what is done, like if everything is okay. And I was a bit afraid that the dust bag and the authenticity card were missing, because you never know when. I'm probably sure they received like thousands of bags and items to repair. So obviously like one little card can be missing. So I don't advise you to give an authenticity card. I was very silly to do this, but anyway, I got it back. Everything was in the bag. Everything was here at the end. The work was well done, I guess. Except one thing, I just wonder, just let me know guys, but the metallic part here, I will try to zoom in, is in black metal. Well, the metal is like very quality shitty, I have to say. And I have no initial on it, nothing saying like it's Hermes or the wholesaler they used to work with. I don't know, this is weird. It doesn't look like it's Hermes, it's Chanel, like from, but okay, whatever. I have the paper saying like it was repaired by Chanel, but weird. Anyway, I paid 45 euros for this, and it took in the end like 4.5 months. It was supposed to be 2 months maximum. So I was considering like giving them my Chanel bag to repair a bit, giving a big cling to the bag, but I'm definitely not doing this because my bag is going to be away for a year and a half. So I'm never going to do this. Never. I'd prefer to go to someone like a third party like company who can do this. I know if I go back after then to Chanel, they're gonna say to me, we can't do anything because it was repaired somewhere else. I'm gonna tell them like, fuck. So yeah, very sad about this. I'm very annoyed because we pay very expensive stuff there and they're not capable at answering. I can understand it takes more time because they have lots of work at the moment, lots of items to repair anyway. I don't care. I can understand. It's just a wallet. But in the end, they do not reply to your customer. Like reply, I don't know, like your service needs to be 100% from the moment you buy until the end. Like for me, Chanel service is very bad at the moment. I had another experience with other maisons and they are way better. For example, Louis Vuitton have for me one of the best service. Really, yeah, so I was really disappointed. So just let me know in the comment if you had a good experience with them, like for repairing an item, a bag, or something else, or if also you had a very bad experience with this. I would like to know if I'm the only one, because maybe it's only me. Like, it can happen to one person, but not the others. It can happen. I needed to make a video because I don't usually do this, but I was very, very disappointed. And for me, this is not what a luxury brand should do. Like, they should make it like perfect, because this is luxury. And I was so disappointed. Like, even way lower brands do this way better. I understand this is a huge brand, but come on. We pay the bag, we pay the surface, we pay the brand. It needs to be perfect. Voila, this is the story of the day. Let me know if you had the same, if you had another one, if you had a good if you had a good one in the end. I really hope you had a good story with them and not as bad as mine. It's not that bad, but still, why? Like, say sorry and reply to your customer. That's it. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Do not hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd be very happy as you welcome here. Usually it's like good vibe energy. I'm sorry for this video. Maybe it's not what you wanted to hear. Maybe it's gonna be like, okay, so I'm not the only one type of video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you Wednesday for a new backdrop day. Bye bye.